Sick of cleaning your home every single day? Let smart tech handle it for you. Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. Meet the Eufy L60 Hybrid robot vacuum, designed for effortless cleaning with a sleek, low-profile build. It delivers strong suction and smart navigation to map your home and clean with precision. With app control, hybrid vacuum and mop functionality, and automatic charging, it keeps your floors consistently spotless, so you can enjoy a cleaner home without the extra effort. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Eufy L60 Hybrid robot vacuum, base station with power cord, detachable base, documents and quick start guide. Technical specifications. Let's take a look at the Eufy L60 robot vacuum. Starting with the model and design, it's part of the L60 series, model T2277, featuring a sleek robotic design with a modern black finish. For navigation and mapping, it uses LDS or laser distance sensor technology to accurately map your home. When it comes to obstacle avoidance, it relies on infrared sensors to detect and avoid objects in its path. In terms of cleaning performance, you get powerful 5,000 Pascal suction, paired with a 350 milliliter dustbin capacity. Powering the robot is a 2,600 mAh lithium-ion battery. This delivers up to 120 minutes of runtime, and it also supports automatic recharging when needed. For mobility, it can climb obstacles up to 20 millimeters with ease. Cleaning edges and corners is handled by a single side brush. It also features Boost IQ, which automatically adjusts suction power based on the surface. For connectivity, it supports Wi-Fi on both 2.4 and 5.0 GHz bands, along with app control and a remote control. Voice control is supported as well, working seamlessly with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. In terms of noise and usability, it operates at around 57 decibels and is suitable for hard floors, tiles, and medium carpets. And finally, it includes a washable filter, making maintenance simple and cost-effective over time. Product features. With up to 5,000 pascals of suction power, it's built to handle everything from everyday dust to heavier debris and pet hair. It performs exceptionally well across hard floors, tiles, and medium carpets, pulling dirt from deep within surfaces while maintaining consistent suction throughout the cleaning cycle. Using advanced LDS, laser distance sensor navigation, the robot scans your home to create accurate, real-time maps. It follows structured cleaning paths instead of random movement, ensuring maximum coverage with minimal repetition, while also helping it clean faster and more efficiently. Boost IQ works automatically in the background, detecting changes in floor type and dirt levels. When the robot moves onto carpets or encounters tougher messes, it instantly increases suction power for a deeper clean, then reduces it again on hard floors to optimize battery usage and maintain quieter operation. Designed to simplify your routine, it supports self-emptying for extended hands-free use, reducing the need for frequent maintenance. Through the mobile app, you can schedule cleanings, select specific rooms, and customize cleaning modes. It also integrates seamlessly with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to start or stop cleaning with simple voice commands, making the entire experience more effortless and smart. Product overview. The Eufy L60 Hybrid robot vacuum is a powerful robot designed for deep cleaning and ultimate convenience. On top, the 360-degree LiDAR navigation sensor maps your home with precision, alongside the Start or Pause cleaning button, which doubles as a power on or off switch, and the Recharge button, which sends the robot home or toggles the child lock. When unboxing, remove the protective foam blocks on the sides. At the front, charging points allow the robot to dock and recharge. Underneath, high-traction wheels navigate carpets and thresholds, a side brush sweeps corners, and the central roller brush, protected by a brush guard, tackles debris. The rear dustbin collects everything sucked up by the 5,000 Pascal motor and slides out easily for maintenance. The L60 pairs with a self-empty station, featuring a large disposable dust bag under the lid, a power LED for status, charging points, and a dust collection port for waste transfer. Unique to this model are the hair cutting feature and dedicated hair bin for tangled fibers. A detachable base keeps the docking area clean and clear. How to use. Start by unboxing your L60 and removing all protective foam blocks. Insert the dustbin securely. Check that the roller brush and side brush are properly in place and ensure the robot is ready for its first charge. This preparation ensures smooth operation from the very first cleaning session. Place the self-empty charging station on a flat, stable surface near a power outlet. Keep at least 0.5 meters of space on the sides and 1.5 meters in front for unobstructed docking. Connect the station to power and align the robot's charging points with the dock to ensure proper charging and self-emptying functionality. Turn on the robot and allow the 360-degree LiDAR sensor to scan your home. The robot creates an accurate map in the Eufy Home app, identifying rooms, obstacles, and furniture. This mapping enables efficient navigation, thorough coverage, and avoids repeated cleaning of the same areas. Select your cleaning mode via the app, voice assistant, or the buttons on the robot itself. Press Start to begin cleaning. The robot will automatically adjust suction with Boost IQ, navigate obstacles, and follow the mapped paths. You can monitor progress, schedule cleanings, or send it back to the dock using the recharge button or the app at any time. App connection. Download and install the Eufy Home app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and create a new account, or log in if you already have one. This app will be your main hub to control the robot, schedule cleanings, and monitor its performance. Power on your L60 by pressing the Start/Pause button, then activate pairing mode using the Recharge button if needed. In the app, select Add Device and choose Robot Vacuum. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the robot to your home Wi-Fi network, supports both 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. Keep your phone close to the robot during pairing for a smooth connection. Once paired, the app will guide you to name your robot and configure initial preferences like cleaning modes and zones. Test the connection by starting a cleaning session via the app or your voice assistant. You can now schedule cleanings, monitor battery life, and control your L60 remotely with ease. Maintenance. Gently remove the side brush by pulling it off the mounting point. Carefully untangle any hair, threads, or debris wrapped around the bristles. If necessary, rinse the brush under water and let it dry completely before reattaching. Keeping the side brush clean ensures that edges and corners are swept effectively during every cleaning session. Lift the brush guard and take out the central roller brush. Remove any accumulated hair, dust, or debris that may slow its rotation. If the roller brush is washable, rinse it and allow it to dry fully before reinstalling. Regular maintenance of the roller brush helps the robot maintain strong suction and consistent cleaning performance on carpets and hard floors. Inspect the rubber strips on the roller brush for hair or dirt buildup. Wipe them gently with a dry or slightly damp cloth to prevent friction and ensure smooth rotation. Proper care of the rubber strips prolongs the lifespan of the brush and keeps the cleaning operation efficient. Remove the dustbin from the robot and empty all collected debris. Take out the washable filter, rinse it under cold water, and let it air dry completely before reinserting. Regular cleaning of the dustbin and filter preserves suction power and ensures that dust and allergens are properly contained. Regularly check the disposable dust bag in the self-empty station to ensure it doesn't become overfilled. When the bag reaches capacity, replace it promptly to maintain the station's ability to efficiently suction debris from the robot. Keeping the dust bag fresh prevents clogging and ensures that dirt, dust, and hair are securely contained. Safety tips. Avoid wet surfaces. Keep away from extreme temperatures. Clear obstacles from floors. Use approved power accessories. Maintenance safety. Avoid picking up hazardous items. Product comparison. Talking about the design and size, the Eufy L60 Hybrid robot vacuum features a larger, full-size body built for powerful whole-home cleaning and better coverage across bigger areas. In contrast, the SwitchBot K10 Plus comes in a compact mini design that easily fits into tight spaces under low furniture and is ideal for smaller rooms or apartments. The Eufy L60 uses advanced LDS LiDAR navigation to create highly accurate maps and follow structured, efficient cleaning paths with minimal overlap. Meanwhile, the SwitchBot K10 Plus uses a simpler LiDAR plus SLAM system that provides decent mapping but is more optimized for basic layouts and smaller environments. With 5,000 pascals of suction power, the L60 delivers stronger and deeper cleaning, especially on carpets and when dealing with heavy debris or pet hair. On the other hand, the K10 Plus offers lower suction power, making it more suitable for light cleaning tasks and daily maintenance rather than intensive deep cleaning. The Eufy L60 features a larger dustbin and supports long-term self-emptying, allowing for extended hands-free cleaning with less frequent maintenance. In comparison, the SwitchBot K10 Plus has a smaller onboard dustbin due to its compact size and depends more often on its auto-empty station. The L60 provides up to 120 minutes of runtime, making it well-suited for cleaning larger homes in a single session without interruption. In contrast, the K10 Plus offers a shorter runtime, which works best for smaller spaces or quick, targeted cleaning sessions. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.